84-year-old retired Iowa farmer Butch Hansen joining an alarming number of Iowans hospitalized with COVID-19.
We're going to get a CAT scan of your chest. You've got some junk in your chest, so you probably have a little pneumonia, but I want to make sure you don't have a blood clot in your lung.
This 19-bed regional care facility overwhelmed and moving its sicker patients to larger hospitals in the state. Facilities also running out of space.
The biggest concern in the last week is when we call and ask for them to help take care of our patients who are maybe sicker than we're used to taking care of, they don't have beds for us. And so that's where the strain really comes on.
Straining to the breaking point, the Buckeye State seeing its numbers skyrocket, more than 500 coronavirus hospitalizations in mid-October to 1,400 today.
We are back in crisis mode. We never left crisis mode.
With cases rising, more people are hospitalized nationwide for COVID-19 now than at any point during the pandemic. 47 states in the red zone for new cases.
We are in a critical portion of the pandemic where hospitalizations are beginning to skyrocket again. There are twice as many people in the hospital now as there were in September. We're afraid more deaths will follow.
And with the holiday approaching, this was the approach to a testing facility in Chicago near Arlington International Raceway Wednesday morning. At his afternoon briefing, New York Governor Andrew Cuomo reporting a spike in certain regions of western New York and making a dire prediction about numbers overall after the Thanksgiving holiday.
You will see a tremendous spike after Thanksgiving. Tremendous spike after Thanksgiving.
Lieutenant Governor Kathleen Hochul asking for New Yorkers' vigilance.
We're asking people to follow the mandates, socially distance, limit your activities with other people. And, we're not saying you can't have Thanksgiving. We're saying less than 10 people, try to get tested before you gather. Let's be smart about this.
And to put our numbers into perspective, according to a professor at George Washington University, 2 to 3 weeks ago, we were seeing 70 to 80,000 new coronavirus cases a day. On Tuesday, the U.S. saw 155,000 new cases. Only Hawaii has seen at least a 10% decrease in new cases.